Welcome all of you. Myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moyo Education Society's Moyo Institute of Pharmacy, Sone. In this lecture, we discuss about the anti-leprotic drugs. Content of this lecture: introduction of leprosy diseases and definition and classification of anti-leprotic agent. So first point is, what is a leprosy? So leprosy is a chronic contagious disease caused by slowly growing bacteria, that is the Mycobacterium leprae. It was first identified Hansen in 1871 and also called as a Hansen disease. It is affected on the skin, mucous membrane, nerve, causing decolorization and lumps on the skin and in several cases disfigurement and deformities. So next point is, what is a Mycobacterium leprae? So Mycobacterium leprae, it is a acid-fast bacillus and show the positive reaction to Gill-Nielsen reagent test. This bacteria grow very slowly, has an incubation period of 5 years. This is the first bacteria discovered which is known to causes disease in humans. This bacterium was discovered by G. A. Hansen in 1873. This bacteria cannot be grown on artificial mediums. It has to be grown on certain lab of animal like some species of monkey, rat and rabbits. Like Mycobacterium tuberculosis, this bacteria also known to be produce resistance against a drug. Sign and diagnosis of leprosy. So sign of leprosy. Leprosy is characterized by presence of patches on skin. The patches of leprosy characterized by defined loss of sensation, do not itch and hurt. The patches having a hypopigmentation to reddish or copper red color. The patches having a no sensation of pain. It may be flat or elevated. Diagnosis of leprosy. Leprosy patches can easily identify by checking a sensation in comparison to normal skin. The skin shimmer test for presence of bacteria. Next, definition of anti-leprotic agent. So drugs which are used in treatment of leprosy are called as anti-leprotic drugs. Example, dapsone, pyrazinamide. Classification of anti-leprotic agent. First class is sulfone derivative. Example, dapsone, solapsone. Second class is thiazide derivative. Example, thiambutacin. Next class is phenanthine derivative. Example, clofazimine. Next, antitubercular drugs. Example, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, ethonamide. Next class is antibiotics. Example, minocycline, ofloxacin, clarithromycin. Next class is natural compound. Example, Chaul Mogra oil. Next, long-acting sulfonamide. Example, sulfadoxine. And last class is miscellaneous drug. Example, thiaacetazone. Then we discuss the drug profile of some anti-leprotic agent. First one is the dapsone. So dapsone is a example of diamino diphenol sulfone derivatives. So this is the structure of dapsone. IUPAC name is 4,4-diamino diphenyl sulfones. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white or slightly white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a bitter in taste and odorless. Solubility: practically insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol and freely soluble in acetone. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: so it is used in treatment of leprosy. Then it is used as a suppressive action on malarial parasite. Then it is also used in treatment of dermatitis. Dermatitis, it is a fungal infection occur in the skin. That condition is called as a dermatitis. That can be treated by using a dapsone. Then combination of dapsone with pyrimethamine. It is used in treatment of pneumonia. Official preparation of dapsone: dapsone tablet USP, brand name Dubronax, Novafone. So next anti-leprotic agent is solapsazone. So this is the structure of solapsazone. IUPAC name tetrasodium 3,3 in the bracket sulfonyl bias. in again bracket benzene 4,1 dial amino bracket complete bias in the bracket 1 phenyl propane 1,3 disulfonate. Physical properties, surface nature and color, it is a white or slightly white crystalline powder. Taste and odor, it is a bitter in taste and odorless. Solubility, practically insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol and freely soluble in acetone. Storage, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used in treatment of leprosy. It is used as a suppressive action on malarial parasites, so it is used for treatment of malarial infection. Then it is used in treatment of dermatitis. Official preparation, solipsisone tablet IP, solipsisone tablet USP, brand name sulfatron and solusulfone. Next drug is clofazimine. The structure of clofazimine, IUPAC name N5YS in the bracket 4 chlorophenyl bracket complete 3 in the bracket 1 methyl ethyl imino bracket complete 5H phenazine 2 amine. Physical properties, surface nature and color, it is a dark red crystal. Taste and odor, it is a bitter in taste and odorless. Solubility, practically insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol and micropole 400. Storage, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used in treatment of leprosy. Then it is also used in treatment of lepromatous leprosy. It is also used in treatment of dermatitis. Official preparation, clofazimine capsule IP, brand name Lamprine. Next antileprotic agent is thiambutacin. The structure of thiambutacin, IUPAC name 1 in the bracket 4 petoxyphenyl bracket complete 3 in the bracket 4 in the sub bracket dimethyl amino sub bracket complete phenyl bracket complete thiourea. Physical properties, surface nature and color, it is a white or slightly white crystalline powder. Taste and odor, it is a bitter in taste and odorless. Solubility, practically insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, freely soluble in acetone. Storage, it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used in treatment of leprosy. Then it is also used in treatment of dermatitis. Official preparation, thiambutacin capsule. So in this lecture we discuss about the what is by leprosy, then sign and symptom of leprosy and drug used in treatment of leprosy. Thank you.